Hey guys, before we dive into this next video from TruLuvin Fishing, just wanted to share some big news, and that is that I was contacted a while back from a company by the name of TFO Rods, Temple Fork Outfitters, and they make quality rods. And I went through a little bit of an interview process, and the result of that is I am honored to say and very excited to say that I've been selected as one of their pro staff members here in Florida. And in future videos, not this video because I don't have the stuff yet. I've placed my order and I'm waiting for it to arrive, and then I'm going to start putting them rods to good use, doing some reviews on which rods I'm using, and just excited to be using them. So the videos you'll see now is still my current stuff, and we're waiting on the stuff to arrive, and that's going to be an exciting day as well. But it is official. I can put it on the video, I can put it on social media. TFO Rods and TruLuvin Fishing partnered up, and once again, member of their pro staff team. I'm very excited to say that. I want to thank TFO personally for giving me this chance, giving me this opportunity. We won't let you down. And let's get to some fishing because there is a monster on this video. Stand by. Good morning, TruLuvin fans from Crystal River, Florida, just like I promised you. Got my cousin Billy, my cousin Phyllis.
Hello.
You might remember them from the second most popular video we've ever had because we put it on there, you know what, and we're gonna do it again today. I'm being cocky. I hope it happens. We're heading out, it's dead low. We're gonna stop by Pete's Pier. We're gonna get some live bait. We got a mix of artificial, and then the goal today is what?
Snook.
Snook, redfish, whatever. We just saw a 4-foot snook at the marina. I grabbed the 17 MR in the pole, and then my cousin talked sense to me and said, Don, they don't allow that. I almost could not pass it up, but we're heading out. We're gonna try to do good today.
We'll get a bigger one.
And it's beautiful weather, light wind.
Gorgeous.
So we'll see you guys with a fish on. Thanks for joining. Bye. Guys, we're at Pete's Pier in Crystal River. My man's digging us out some beautiful shrimp. Oh, and we got it up. We got one's excited. And we're getting about 75 mud minnows to go with our artificial to get it done today. Pete's Pier, Crystal River, check them out. That's it. Look at all them fish jumping from them.
The dolphins?
Guys, look at the fish. They're dolphins. They're dolphins. Bro, I think I got another largemouth bass.
Really?
Bill, I got a net right here between my legs.
You're stepping on it, or what is that?
Yeah, right here, under here. Never mind.
And you don't like them.
Well, it's a freshwater fish.
You don't like freshwater fish.
I love all fish, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying it's not
what we're here for.
Not what we're here for, but this is pretty awesome.
Beautiful. Get him near the rock.
Got him right by the rocks. Guys, Crystal River, spring fed. You get inshore enough, you're getting both species. Same thing happened to me in a tournament here about 3 weeks ago. Largemouth bass fishing for saltwater species. I love it. That's great.
And that's because the stuff is oh, that's a big one.
Big snook, big snook, net.
Big net. Where's the big net?
He's trying to wrap me. He's trying to wrap me. Big snook. Guys, I'm talking like coming at you, Bill.
What's going, boy?
Gaining on him a little bit. Come on, he's coming back. I'm trying. He's strong. He's coming. I'm horsing him a little bit. He's a giant. He's a giant, Bill. Bill, come on. Bill. That's what I'm talking about. That makes the whole trip worth it. The whole trip. The whole trip. Oh my God. It makes the whole trip. Way over slot. We ain't eating them.
Okay. Take some pictures.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh my God, guys.
Let me get the tape on.
All right, I got to do him for the tournament too.
Yep.
Guys, a giant.
Well, fit on the scale. He's about 30. 38.
Let me see. Take a picture.
He's over. He's 33 to 34 inches.
Monster snook. That is
Are
awesome.
you kidding me?
34 inches long.
Are you kidding me?
Monster.
On a 2500 series reel with 20-pound fluorocarbon with a live mud minnow. This is a fish of a freaking lifetime. And I'm
Yes,
sorry
sir.
I'm so stoked, but the fight, wasn't the fight amazing?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Wish we got it all on video.
Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, thanks for the continued support of the channel. If you liked this video, like I enjoyed making it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Crystal River never disappoints. It was tough fishing. This, I call it spring, has been kind of tough. The wind's been blowing. The fish bite hasn't been as hot as it was for me in the winter. But hey, when you catch your personal best snook, 33-incher, with that amazing fight you just watched, it makes the whole trip worth it, guys. Really was. Thanks again. Thanks again to TFO Rods. Beginning of the video you saw the opportunity I got to be a member of the pro staff. I am very honored. So upcoming videos, that's what you're going to see. My TFO Rods, putting them to work and getting you guys some great content. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you on the next video. TruLuvin is out. Bye.